Hi there, thanks for watching. First I turn up the heat. I get myself some butter, like so. And I also blend it in with some olive oil. My choice is from Andalusian in southern Spain. My humble opinion, that's the best oil. Okay, let's put an egg in there. Perfect. Looking good. Just apply some butter. Like so. Perfect. Some cheese. And some more pepper, mostly for decoration. There we have it. Okay, that's the way I do my egg sandwiches. So thanks for watching. I hope you got inspired.